Today I will talk about lines, shapes and forms. Shapes are 2D, two-dimensional. Forms are 3D, three-dimensional. Important that when you are making marks or you are drawing something, uh, it starts usually with a dot. So when we drag the dot in any direction, it can be to create a motif, let's say. Whenever there is a mark moving and not closed, it remains line. But when we close it, it becomes shape. Now this is a shape in different sizes. But we will also consider this as an outline. It's a line which is closing space. So enclosed space is a line too, but turns into shape because it's closed. I'll repeat again. Line is basically a mark. You can make a line with the pencil, with a pen. It doesn't matter. Lines can be thick, dark. Lines can be thin, light, broken. Lines can be continuous with the same pressure. Lines can be broken. Lines can be, let's say, wavy. Lines can be zigzag. Lines can be curved. Lines can be, let's say, this is zigzag, double, like this. So there are different ways to work with lines. When we are making, let's say, I'll show you some examples as well. Here I have this book. So if you see these drawings, they are just outlines, okay, and each line is making different shapes and giving you the illusion of forms. So the direction of line also matters a lot. For example, I want to make a cube. So if I am just doing this, closing the space, it's a square, but I want a cube. So the direction of lines, these diagonal lines, I close them. Vertical lines, so lines can be diagonal, vertical, horizontal, and when you close them they become a shape. So this is a form, this is a shape. If let's say I'm doing a triangle outline, now I want a pyramid. Again, the angles of the lines, it will go diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. So this becomes a form. So shapes versus forms. What's the difference? Shapes are 2D, forms are 3D. Now the most important question that everyone asks, that's like, what's the difference between a shape and a form? Because this is on a flat surface on a paper, this is on a flat surface. It looks like 3D, but is it actually